Hey, I'm Rocco with the team at ROVI Homes, and I'm here at Winsted, Connecticut at Be Under Par. And today we're going to go through a golf fitting for some new clubs and take some lessons with the owner, Shane Centrella.
First of all, thanks for coming in, Rocco. I do a few things here. So first off, I offer golf lessons. I do club fittings as well. So the next time you're in the market for a golf club, I can help you with the perfect fitting, the perfect club for whatever you need in your golf game. I work with anyone from a beginner all the way up to professionals. So regardless of your skill or ability, just know that I can help you out. What I try to offer here is a personalized experience. I focus on my customer and exactly what they need instead of a one-size-fits-all. I try to customize not only your experience, but the actual club fitting and the clubs to you personally. And also my lessons the same way. I like to teach dependent on not only the skill or ability of a person, but how they learn best. And that requires me having an understanding of what they need. The downswing feel, don't feel like you have to keep your head still. If you rotate through and right there, right? So we can rotate through. So try that in a practice swing once or twice, right?
Hey everybody, thanks for hanging out with myself and Shane here at Be Under Par. If you're ever in the area, give me a call and I'd love to show you around the town and maybe go play some golf. Some of the highlights, I'd love to show you around.